Hello, and welcome back to the Macromolecule Siblings channel, where 4 siblings take on science. On this channel, you will learn a variety of science lessons to help you study for upcoming science quizzes or tests. In the last episode of the Macromolecule Siblings, we talked about the first macromolecule, the lipid. On this episode of the Macromolecule Siblings, we will be talking about the second of 4 macromolecules, which is the protein. My protein friend Tracy is going to help us learn about what proteins are and how they function. Are you ready, Tracy? Let's start then. When most people think of proteins, they think of meat or a power shake because they are both high in protein. And when things are high in protein, they can help you with a lot of things. For example, when food is high in protein, it helps your muscles develop to be big and strong, like Tracy. But protein is important for other things too. Proteins are also in antibodies in the immune system to help fight off germs and bad microorganisms, like these. The other thing protein is in is enzymes. As most of you know, enzymes are extremely important for the body, making protein important. Now that we know what proteins do, let's look at how they do it by learning about their structure. So as we look at things, here's our protein Tracy. A protein is made up of amino acids, and those amino acids are called monomers. Monomers are the things that make up a polymer, and in this case, our polymer is a protein. Here are the amino acids. Now, amino acids don't just bind together. They need bonds to hold them. Those bonds are called peptide bonds, which are seen connecting the amino acids together. If you are wondering how amino acids function, stay tuned in for a later video. Now, proteins don't stay the same their whole life. They change and have different structures. The first structure of a protein is called the primary structure. When a protein is in its primary structure, it has no function and it is just growing. After, the protein either becomes a beta-pleated sheet or an alpha helix in the secondary structure. Once again, it doesn't have any function. However, the next structure has function, so we are going to put a line to separate functioning structures and non-functioning structures. The next protein structure is called tertiary. When a protein is in a tertiary state, the beta-pleated sheet and an alpha helix combine. However, the next protein structure isn't always reached, so we are going to put another line. The next state of a protein is quaternary. In the quaternary state, 2 or more beta-pleated sheets and alpha helices combine, forming one big protein. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for helping us, Tracy. Thank you for watching today's episode of the Macromolecule Siblings. Make sure to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. See ya!